Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing power and connection. Make sure Airpods Pro 2 and the case are charged to about 50% or more. Plug your iPhone into a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, place the Airpods in the case and open the lid near your unlocked iPhone or iPad. Make sure Bluetooth is on and your device stays awake. The update installs automatically when firmware is available, so this first setup ensures the prerequisites are met and lets the process begin without interruptions. You now move into the hands-on phase. Check Settings Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to your AirPods to view the current firmware version so you can track progress. Keep the AirPods in the case with the lid open and maintain proximity to your iPhone. Do not close the lid or move too far away. Make sure the iPhone screen stays on and Wi-Fi is stable. If an update is available, the firmware will transfer and install automatically. Monitor the version, and be patient as files apply. You finish by confirming success and handling issues. After a reasonable wait, recheck the firmware version in Bluetooth settings to ensure the update applied. If the update stalls or never appears, reset the AirPods by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds, then repair to your device and repeat the earlier steps. Make sure your iPhone runs a current iOS and your Wi-Fi is stable. If problems persist, try a different iPhone or contact support. The reset and repair trick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.